Let's get started. Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. I'm Dawn. So I have been thinking about a summer dessert that I don't have to spend much time on. I'm trying to think of what it can be. I don't like anything real sweet. So I've come up with this idea and I hope it works out, and I hope you guys try it too. So let's see how it goes. I bet it's going to taste good. Let's get started. Okay, so like I said, I was trying to figure out something good, but not real sweet, nice and chilled, good for a hot day. So I'm going to start out with 2 cups of crushed graham crackers, and I'm going to make a crust. For the bottom, I'm going to make a crust. I'm going to use more graham crackers, but I'm not going to make a crust out of that. But this one I am. I melted some butter, and I melted about 2 tablespoons, but I'm just going to go with it. And I've never tried this recipe before, so we're going to have to see how it works out. I may have to melt a little bit more. Because it's not really holding together real good. I'll be right back. I'm going to melt a little bit more butter. Okay, so I got some more butter in here. We'll see how that works. Still not sticking. Just a wee bit more and I think we'll be good. I don't want it to be I'm having a hard time getting this to where I want it to. And I'm making a huge mess. Yeah, it looks like it's sticking. Yeah. Alrighty, so we got two cups here with some butter, just till it sticks together. Oh yeah, that'll work perfect. This cake has so 1, 2, 3, 4 layers, and I layer it twice. At least I'm going to try to. We'll see what happens. Okay. Oh gosh, I still feel like I could have more butter in here. It's just not sticking. I still need more butter, quite a bit. Okay, I think I got it pretty good. It seems like it. Plus you got to chill it for a couple hours. So we'll see what happens. Okay, now I have 1 box of vanilla pudding, and I'm going to add the 3 cups of milk that goes with it. And then I'm going to mix this up with my hand mixer and get it to the consistency I need. Okay, let's get this put together. So I got my pudding here. First layer above the graham cracker crust. Because you want to save some for the other layer. And if you wanted to, you could make 2 boxes, I suppose, if you wanted extra pudding. Okay, now the the Cool Whip. Yum. Never too shy on the Cool Whip, of course. Lights down low. Definitely need more than one Cool Whip, I think. A little more is good. Okay, now, so I made a cake a few days ago, and I'm going to use it for this. So now I'm just going to crumble some chocolate cake. Now I just crumble it because I like chocolate cake, but I don't want it to be too sweet. Like, you know, deep chocolate taste. I mean, I know all this is going to be kind of sweet, but not too sweet for sure. To get a little bit everywhere. And these are the extra graham crackers that I crushed. I'm going to pour this over this. Now, who wouldn't like this mixture? Oh my, yummy. I don't really care that there's a few chunks in here. Which you guys might want to make too if you like the extra pudding. Yeah, I should have made 2. But that's all right. It won't be the prettiest looking thing. It's going to mix in with the graham crackers. I should have maybe made 2 for sure. So if you guys try this, make sure you make 2. I almost want to make another one. But I've been cooking all day, so I'm trying to scrape every bit I have. That's all I got. So I would say 1.5 would be good. Okay. And then the Cool Whip. Shoot. This is kind of like a dump dessert. So you could really put in, but I like this combination, so this is going to work for me. And I bet you guys will love it. Yeah, the only thing I would do different is add a little bit more pudding on that second layer for sure. Then the top layer, the last layer. I think this is a great summer dessert. You just have to turn your oven on to make the cake, and then you just chill it. And I suppose some bakeries may sell just a chocolate cake if you didn't want to make it. I don't know. Maybe a little bit more. My hands are getting sticky. Okay. All right. I just wanted to show you guys these real quick. I made this morning for breakfast. I couldn't decide between French toast or pancakes. So I made a layer. I cut up my bread in cubes, dipped them in the French toast batter, and did a layer of the French toast on the bottom, pancakes in the middle with syrup. In the batter, I put syrup and bacon, and then the French toast on top, and baked it at 350 for 35 minutes. They turned out so yummy. Okay, and now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for a few hours, 2-3 hours. I'll let you know for sure how long I keep it in, and then we'll try it after that. I hope it turns out. All right, see you in a little bit later. I just wanted to show you the layers before I put them in the before I put it in the fridge. looks good. All right. Okay, everybody, it's done. It's been chilling a few hours. Just want to bring this up a little closer so you guys can see it. See, you can see the layers. Cake on top. All right, let's try this. I'm so excited. I hope my crust turned out. We'll see. It feels like it did. It sure did. Can you see that? And I'm just going to use my fingers because I don't care. All right, let's try this. My new dessert. Yum, yum, yum. Get crust in there. Get the cake. This is wonderful. This is so good. The graham cracker crust is perfect on the bottom. Everything together goes so good together. It's not too sweet or anything, but just to be sure. Yum, 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 yum. Whoop, whoop. This is so good. Please, guys, try it. It's perfect. It's great for summer. Great to take on a picnic. Great to just grab out of your refrigerator and have a piece after dinner, before dinner, whenever. Let me know in the comments if you try it and what you think of it. And thanks for joining me today. It means so much to me. Y'all have a great week ahead of you. And stay healthy and take care. Bye. Okay, y'all, I forgot to say one thing. Please follow me, subscribe to my channels, give me a thumbs up, and leave some comments on what you think, what you'd like to see. I keep wanting to evolve more on my channel. It's just taking me a little bit more time because I'm not used to all this editing and stuff, but we'll get there. Thanks again. Bye.